Okay, Calçada de Barra. Haven't been here in a little bit. In a while. There's some changes. During COVID, this was mostly closed right here, this whole street. Looks like there's a little construction down there. Okay, we'll see that, but you can see many people down in that area, and we're gonna be walking directly towards that. And before we even go up, we're also gonna just take a look and show you some of the other stuff here, like this kind of interesting building. This is called Rua de Salgada Peixe. Fish. Salted fish. And going up that way is the direction we're not going to go, but I'll just give you a little taste of it at the moment. It looks like they finally have this building almost done, and then the Moorish temple, you can see that through the sidelines there. Kind of cool. That's oh, there's a frog. So you can see the Moorish temple straight up that way. So you can see it right through there. So that's pretty big tourist attraction as well. But we're going to be focusing down there on Calçada de Barra. So let's check that all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so on our way to Calçada de Barra, we have some Portuguese references. We got some Chinese references. I've been trying to learn more about, I guess you call them the gods, I guess. And there's a tiger right there, so that must symbolize some kind of symbolic clue to who he is. Let me know who he is. So I'm kind of trying to learn, so I'll try to recognize the one with the tiger in the future. So we're going to be walking down Calçada de Barra, down that way. Before we go down, we have some pretty beautiful buildings here. This is a salted fish street. And then you have the pilots go right there, that blue one, and the water is right on the other side. So we'll see that on the other side of our target street here, Calçada de Barra. Let's go down. Yeah, before COVID, there's a lot of pretty cool stuff on the street that just kind of came out of nowhere. I think it looks like it's back a little bit, so we're going to see that in a moment. Nice little courtyard. And you can see it here. And yeah, actually during COVID that was all closed. So these are mostly for Instagram, photogenic kind of stuff. Yeah, it's back. Yeah, for 3 years they just covered it up. There was basically no tourists, hardly any tourists coming in. And now all that stuff is back. Just kind of take a look. So yeah, all of it is for the cameras. Actually, when I started this out, there was somebody standing there to get a good shot of that right there. There's even an art gallery over here. Let me just take a look at that real quick. Huh. It's kind of interesting. It says Portugal in particular. I wonder if that's a Portuguese artist. Okay, so we're going to be walking down our target street. And before we even go down, I just want to see what they have here. Okay. I guess that is for this one. Oops. So this particular one right here, they sell that right there. And it looks like they also have it kind of a touristic thing, so you can take some good pictures of it. Alright, so let's keep on going down. These are everywhere in Macau. Pastel de nada. These are for the temples. These ones right here. Calçada de Barra leads into the temple straight ahead, so we're going to see that as well. Here's a little alley with no name that leads right up into the mountains there. Okay. Calçada de Barra. Beautiful. I love the street signs in Macau. Then you have this beautiful green building right here. Let me just kind of capture that a little bit. Yeah, the sunlight, that looks kind of cool like that. I guess when you see it like that, it looks really nice. And this beautiful little, all these benches in here. And everybody's coming up to see this. This is the Amma temple in Barra. And this area is called Barra. So this was our target street right here. It's a nice balconies right there. Haven't really noticed those balconies before. Okay. So let's just kind of explore a little bit. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to walk near this building, since it's kind of a beautiful building to capture anyways. Maritime Museum. So there's Barra right there. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk over by the water a little bit, and then we're gonna come back. You can actually see a little small ferry over there and some ships. And that's the waterway over to Zhuhai, China. And then we're basically in a square, the Pagoda de Barra, Amma temple. So let's walk in a little bit. There's some other museums over there. Maritime Museum. Got a lot of people walking around in here. Let's just go through it. I think the lighting is better in here anyways. So kind of a cool little thing. Got a kiosk right there, so we're just gonna walk directly towards the Amma temple. I think there's tour buses that come in, so that's why we're seeing all these people over there with all the big giant flags. So that's kind of a cool image right there. Let me just kind of come a little bit. So that's Amma temple, so you can see lots of people throughout, and you can see the incense as well. So I'm going to come back out this way. And our target street is this little Calzada de Barra, so we're gonna head back over there. That's kind of cool though. You got like that apartment building, went right up to the rocks, and those rocks are right there, so they kind of go around like that. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna come here, and then we're gonna end our video. Calzada de Barra, another little slice of Macau for you. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.